This is the Sony E10 and it's mainly marketed as a vlogging camera for shooting video on, but given its small form factor and its cheap price, I wanted to see if it'd be a great option just to pop in your pocket, have as a great everyday shooter for shooting photos on. So I'm out on this nice crisp cold morning to see what it can do. All these photos are taken on the kit lens, which is a 16 to 15mm lens. And kit lenses often get a bad rep, but to be honest, this really is holding its own. And given its small form factor, along with the small form of the camera, it really is great that you can just pop it in your pocket and whip it out and get some great photos with it. So although this camera is marketed as a vlogging camera mainly, as you can see it does take some nice stills. It's got a 24 megapixel sensor, so it's going to be nice and sharp and crisp. The only drawback really is it doesn't have a viewfinder, so it can be a little bit tricky to see on days like today where it's quite bright and you get some glare on the screen. But otherwise, if you've got this camera already or you're considering getting a camera that shoots both video and photos, this is a great option for the price and for the size. So I'll leave you with a few more images I've shot today. Thanks for watching.